Number 1. Distinctive and quietly confident. This 1973 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $8,000 in SeaTac, Washington, presents a blue-on-blue coupe powered by 350 V8 and automatic transmission. It is described as a daily driver with a clean interior, tidy trunk, and a rust-free body. While minor door and grille dents and an inoperative speedometer are noted, collector plates and regular fair weather use are mentioned, supported by a clear title. The 1973 model marks Chevrolet's refined redesign year, blending classic muscle presence with smoother lines that signal a confident evolution of the nameplate for its era. Number 2. Composed and effortlessly smooth, this 1977 Mercury Grand Marquis GS sedan 4-door, priced at $5,000 in Charlevoix, Michigan, reflects late 70s full-size comfort at its most relaxed. It uses an automatic transmission paired with a 400mm engine and C6, delivering steady, quiet road manners. Finished in white with a blue interior, the cabin is described as excellent, with all features operating. Minor rear quarter rust and cosmetic paint on one door are noted. The Grand Mars GS represents Mercury's peak traditional luxury era, when isolation, size, and ride quality define the brand's identity and nationwide appeal. Number 3. Elegantly proportioned and unmistakably formal. This 1982 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, priced at $5,000 in Loganville, Georgia, presents classic personal luxury design in gold with a red interior. It uses an automatic transmission and is described as fully road-ready, with working climate control, refreshed suspension, rebuilt rear brakes, and a service transmission. Upgraded lighting is fitted, while original components are retained. Offered with a paid-off status, this Devil reflects Cadillac's early 80s focus on comfort and prestige, a period when smooth cruising and visual presence defined the brand's coupe identity. Number 4. Elegant yet restrained. This 1974 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe, priced at $5,000 in Pittsburgh, Kansas, presents off-white paint over a red interior with classic personal luxury flair. It uses an automatic transmission paired with a 351 V8 and is described as running and driving after long-term garage storage. The paint appears well kept, while some trim and interior pieces were previously removed but remain present. Rear quarter glass is included but not installed. With a clean title, this XR7 reflects the Cougar's mid-70s shift toward comfort-focused style and upscale grand touring identity during Mercury's evolving design era. Number 5. Refined and mechanically updated, this 1977 Jaguar XJ Van Non Plus, priced at $8,000 in Villa Park, Illinois, presents classic British luxury in green over tan. It uses an automatic transmission and has received extensive mechanical work covering cooling, fuel delivery, suspension, brakes, driveline, and electrical systems. The car is described as driving straight and smooth with strong performance, while climate control needs attention. As a pre-high efficiency V12 example, this XJ reflects Jaguar's 70s flagship era, celebrated for blending elegant craftsmanship with confident grand touring performance and enduring prestige. Number 6. Sleek and unmistakably 80s. This 1985 Cadillac Seville sedan 4-door, priced at $6,500 in Barboursville, Virginia, presents a formal black exterior over a gray interior. It uses an automatic transmission and is described as running and driving smoothly, supported by recent tire, battery, and service work. Interior wear is present, including a missing headliner and worn front seats, while climate control operation is inconsistent. Offered with a paid-off status and clean title, this Civic reflects Cadillac's mid-decade shift toward compact luxury with sharp styling and traditional road presence. Number 7. Bold capability defines this 1981 Chevrolet K10, offered at $8,500 and located in Hot Springs National Park, Arkansas. Finished in red inside and out, this long bed four-wheel drive pickup shows 39,665 miles and is powered by a 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Dual fuel tanks and a solid frame reinforce its reputation as a dependable runner. Visible body rust is present and reflects honest use rather than neglect. The truck runs and drives strong, making it suitable for restoration or continued work duty. The K10 nameplate represents Chevrolet's early 1980s shift toward rugged, versatile off-road trucks built for real-world capability. Number 8. Boldly proportioned and unmistakably mid-60s. This 1965 Ford Galaxy, priced at $8,000 in Lebanon, Tennessee, presents a black exterior contrasted by a red interior. It uses an automatic transmission paired with a 390 engine featuring a 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhaust, and a front disc brake conversion. New tires and exhaust gaskets are noted, and the car is described as running and driving. With multiple prior owners indicated, this Galaxy reflects Ford's peak full-size era, when size, power, and road presence define the brand's flagship sedans. Number 9. Sleek and formal in black. This 1985 Cadillac Civic, offered at $6,500 in Barboursville, Virginia, shows 54,959 miles and retains its classic luxury presence. An automatic transmission pairs with a smooth-running gasoline engine, supported by new tires, a new battery, and fresh oil service. Most features operate as intended, with air conditioning controls noted as inconsistent. The gray interior shows wear, including a missing headliner and torn front seats, yet the structure remains solid. The Civic marked Cadillac's refined, downsized era, blending prestige styling with improved efficiency during the mid-1980s luxury transition. Number 10. Graceful and low-slung. This 1984 Cadillac Eldorado Touring Coupe, listed at $7,500 in Bristow, Oklahoma, shows just 12,900 miles and presents classic personal luxury style. Finished in white with a burgundy interior, it features an automatic transmission, clean title, and paid-off status. The car runs and drives, offering a solid foundation for continued enjoyment or light refinement. Its long doors, formal roofline, and smooth ride define the experience. The Eldorado name dates back to 1953, symbolizing Cadillac's vision of upscale comfort and innovation, evolving into a refined front-wheel drive luxury coupe by the 1980s. Number 11. Rugged charm defines this 1971 Ford F-100 Sport Custom, listed at $4,800 in Miami, Florida. Finished in red and powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, it runs strong with no engine issues reported. The truck is paid off and presents as a straightforward, usable classic pickup with honest character. Its simple interior and traditional body lines reflect an era when durability mattered most. The F-Series legacy began in the late 1940s, and by 1971, the Sport Custom blended work-ready toughness with subtle trim upgrades that made these trucks popular across farms, highways, and job sites. Number 12. Presence defines this 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix, offered at $8,500 in Toledo, Ohio. Finished in white over a red interior, this personal luxury coupe shows clean body lines with no rust or dents, enhanced by shaved door handles and a custom exhaust. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, delivering confident road manners and a strong driving feel. The interior presents boldly with classic late 70s style. Introduced during Pontiac's performance luxury peak, the Grand Prix blended long hood design, comfort, and V8 attitude, making it a defining symbol of refined muscle-era cruising. Number 13. Heritage rides strong in this 1975 Ford F-150 Ranger, priced at $6,500 in Muscadine, Alabama. This long wheelbase, two-wheel drive pickup shows 68,516 miles and carries a 390 cubic inch V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Finished in brown with matching interior, it wears honest patina over solid, well-kept bodywork. Documentation includes the owner's manual, title, and repair receipts, supporting the mileage. The engine turns freely, and the truck has been stored for several years, so transport is required. The mid-70s F-150 marked Ford's shift toward durability, comfort, and V8 powered workhorse identity. Number 14. Steel character defines this 1983 Dodge D150 short bed, offered at $5,500 in Murfreesboro, Illinois. Showing 35,000 miles, it pairs a 318 cubic inch V8 with a 727 automatic transmission and presents matching blue exterior and interior. The truck runs and drives well, with strong heat operation and air conditioning components in place, likely functional once charged. A clean title accompanies the sale. Short bed D150 models like this reflect Dodge's early 80s push towards simpler, durable light trucks, blending V8 power with everyday usability during a transitional era for pickups. Number 15. Gravel era toughness shapes this 1973 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, listed at $4,500 in Clyde, North Carolina. Power comes from a non-original 327 V8 fitted with camel hump heads, paired to a TH350 automatic transmission and MP203 transfer case. Finished in gray, this long bed pickup runs strong and presents as a solid, usable example with a clean title. The configuration reflects Chevrolet's early 70s focus on durability and simple mechanical layouts, a period when full-size trucks balanced work-ready hardware with growing everyday comfort. Number 16. Presence fills the road with this 1962 Ford Galaxie 500, offered at $5,500 and located in Ackworth, Georgia. Finished in black over a red interior, is powered by an FEV8 paired with an automatic transmission and is described as a regular use driver. Updates include a freshened engine, aluminum radiator, one-wire alternator, rebuilt brakes with power disc conversion, and new carpet. The body remains solid, with strong floors and trunk structure, running and driving confidently. This Galaxie reflects Ford's early 1960s vision of a full-size cruiser built for comfort, strength, and effortless highway miles. Number 17. Quirky charm defines this 1979 Volvo 244 deciliters, offered at $1,300 in Louisville, Kentucky. Finished in yellow over a black interior, it shows 219,974 miles and retains its original automatic drivetrain. Parked since 2001, the car rolls on newer rear tires and features a largely intact interior with only light wear. The body structure remains solid, with older repairs reportedly holding up well. Included are a clean Kentucky Classic title and 2 keys. Renowned for durability and understated design, the Volvo 240 series stands as a lasting symbol of practical Scandinavian engineering.